Hello Sumit. So in this video we'll be learning how to attach feathers to our dress sleeve, any part of it. So I've already attached to one of the sleeve, okay? So you can use this method in case you want to attach it to the lower part of your dress, the same thing. So I measure 2 inches upwards from the hem of the sleeve. I measure 2 inches round and I just ruled a straight line connected in 2 inches together. So after that, the next thing you want to do now, the edge of the the measurement for the feathers I'm using here is 1 yard, okay? So and I have this small one that I will use together. So the next thing you have to do, you have to trim it, because you see the edge of the feather is very thick. So you have to trim it so that when you want to fold it and press it on your dress, whatsoever you're attaching it on, it will lay flat. If you do not trim it before doing it, it will not come out well, it will be solo. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing you want to do now is to measure it. So I'm measuring 1.5 of an inch as the weight of the feathers I'm using all through. So I'm going to cut this 1 yard now. I'm going to cut it down into pieces 1.5 of an inch each. So the first 1.5 of an inch I measured down is what I will use to cut the rest of it. Okay, 1.5 of an inch until I'm done piecing it all, 1.5 of an inch each. So after that, here I've got a head to cut. I'm going to plug my gum to light, because that's what we're going to be using. So once the gum is ready, first of all, I'm going to attach the gum to the edge of the feathers like so. You don't pour it too much, like little, okay? So I'm going to attach it to the edge of it like so. Like that one was too much, I have to use another one to take from it. So you place it there like that. Now this is not how to get that fullness, okay? Why I am doing this is so that the thing is a little bit longer, it comes down a little. That's why I'm placing this set. I'm just placing it flat, like I'm just placing it like that, flat and straight. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing round the 2 inches I marked on the sleeve. So after doing it like that, you can see that I'm still doing that. So I'm going to continue with it this way until I've exhausted the line, like the 2 inches I marked around, because every part of it has to be fully covered. Okay, so after that, you can see that the sleeve is very tiny and the whole 1 yard of the feathers entered. The ones that are fuller than this, they use more than a yard. So it depends on how voluminous you want your own to be. So once I have passed the feathers around that 2 inches like this, following a straight line, now we're going to go to the major way to get it full. You can see that it's not full. Even if you want to place it on top each other like this, everything is just going to lay flat. It's not going to give you that fullness. So what you do, put your gum at the edge of the feathers as usual, fold it. You fold it. You can see what I'm doing here. So after folding it, you fold it all around, then put a gum at the bottom of it again. That is if the gum you use in folding it is not enough, that is popping out. Then place it on the fabric and press it down. Press the middle of it. So by pressing the middle of it down, it's spreading up and it's spreading down. So this is what will give you this fullness. It will make it fluffy. Okay, but when you're doing the placing, make sure that you are placing it very tightly, one after the other. You're placing it tightly, one after the other. You're making it very tight. Okay, so you are not leaving any space as you're placing it. So the other one you place, the next one is coming right at the side of it, no single space. That's how to get the fullness. Okay, so you're not leaving any space, it's just coming one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. Do not leave a single space, and it's coming right on top the first line that will place round, right on top it. That's where you're pressing it on. So it is, you can see these few ones that we've just placed now. You can see how fluffy that part is, okay? You can see it's already spreading up and down. So that's how to get it. So I'm going to continue doing it like this all round. I will continue with the way I'm doing it now. That's how I will continue with it until I'm done attaching the feathers around the sleeve. Like I said, if you do yours and you want it fuller than this, you cannot like take another line upwards, you place it round it too, the same way I'm doing here. So that's what will give you the fullness. But make sure that you do not leave any space while attaching it. It is coming one after the other very tightly, okay? So here I'm almost done. You can see that it is very easy to do, and you saw it on my body at the beginning of the video. In case you want to see the video of how I made the jumpsuit, I have a video of it on my channel, so please go and see it. It's very detailed, very beginners friendly, and you will enjoy it. You will learn one or two things from it. So like this now, this is the last one, and I'm going to put it in the last space. In case you are managing your own, you can now leave small space, but if you leave any space, it's not going to come out nice because it will not be full like this. So you can see how nice it came out. So like this now, we're done. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and like and share for others to see. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.